We came from nothing, can't tell me nothing.
Jay, we on, boy. We on, Jay. Woo. Tell them what's going on, Jay. Woo. What's up, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? Look, we back with a video. We doing a vlog for you guys today. It's finna be lit. Jay finna go shoot a freaking ant. Y'all know what's going on. She ain't gonna kill none or let none die. Y'all know.
Say it don't act like I ain't been a shooter out here.
Oh, you ain't no shooter. You ain't no shooter, my looter, my doodle. What's that song? My doodle? I don't know, whatever. But look, guys, you wanna go to Walmart first? I need to buy me some bullets. Just in case we shoot out there, we're gonna shoot and we're gonna shoot some more. Yeah, I know we're gonna. We're finna go to the Walmart first, guys, and we're gonna buy some bullets. We're gonna go to the gun store today. I'm thinking I want a nice like machine gun. Like I want a big gun, y'all.
Why do you need that, y'all?
Look, you know,
I don't understand.
You know, it's just crazy nowadays. You know, I don't want to hurt nobody, but you know, we've been going over and over about buying us a house, and we plan on getting a house with, you know, more than 2 bedrooms what we have now. So I want a 5-bedroom house. Like that's like a dream house for us.
That's too much house for me.
Jay gonna be scared. Look, it was like 3 nights ago, y'all. Like Jay was so scared. We got freaking, like we got 2 bedrooms, kitchen, 2 bathrooms, front room. We ain't got hardly no space in the house. I went through the house 3 times. We watching Forensic Files and she just scared. She thinks somebody in the house.
I kept hearing stuff.
She was scared, y'all. Y'all know we're gonna, but I had to walk through the house 10,000 times to make my baby feel comfortable. You know.
And he play all year round, constantly acting like, I heard that too.
I did hear it, Jay.
Okay, so what was it?
I did. It was a ghost. It was a ghost.
It remains a mystery.
It was a freaking ghost. But yeah, guys, we finna go to the store, and then we're gonna go to this gun. We're gonna go to the Walmart first. It's the first store we're gonna go to, and then we're gonna go to.
Give me a new charger too, y'all.
Make sure I ain't got none on my face. And then we're gonna go to the gun store. We'll go to the gun store and see if I can find something I want. I found this my.
Say what's up to the squad. Look at her sneaking on the phone at work.
What's up, squad? Y'all know what's going on.
Yeah, fool.
Now what?
Jay, you like my gun?
I don't think you need that gun.
Jay, don't be soft now. It's a man's store. Tell her it's a man's store. Don't be soft. How many carry?
30.
30 rounds. Then what comes with this?
That's it.
Just this right here?
Yep.
$4.99. I at least get a free ammo for some free shells.
You told cash up there, we'll give you a box of ammo.
Jay, you holding it wrong, Jay.
I'm holding it.
You don't need Jay. Jay. What if somebody come get me while I'm asleep?
Are you left-handed?
Yeah. Man, I am.
You ain't look, Jay.
No.
I'm gonna have to slow mo that. What you do, Jay? What you do, Jay?
Stop.
He said put it on your shoulder. She put it on the shoulder for real.
I can't see where I'm showing.
Jay, you see, Jay?
Do I look through this right here?
You want to look in that little groove. You be able to see that little dot there.
Oh, okay. I just need some bullets.
Jay, you can't. Jay, you gon' mess up your throat line. They gonna kick back and.
I hold it right here.
Yeah, on your shoulder, Jay. And
Shoulder so to kick in.
Jay, you seem like it's uncomfortable.
It's heavy.
It ain't heavy.
It is.
Get my number.
Got 16 on you right now.
6'8".
I trust you. If I'm not going to pay you 6'8" today, you bring me $20 next week.
What you think, Jay?
You want it?
I do want the gun. Y'all, we've been in here forever, like 2 hours, y'all. I'm sweating.
Why is he so
High
excited?
pressure, high pressure.
Y'all gotta come see my buddy. Don't you run. Don't you run. Y'all gotta come see my buddy in Paris. What's the name? I forgot the name of it.
Guns and gear.
Guns and Gear in Paris, y'all. They took care of me, y'all. We do YouTube, y'all. We do YouTube. Yes, we do YouTube, and look, they gave me the best deal and all around, you know. So, you know, we finna go and go. I'm finna take my baby home. You know, Jay can't even hold her because she can't hold it. You know.
The guns and gear. We put the pew pew in your pocket.
Thank y'all. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Here, hold it, Jay. Let me shake his hand like a man. Dang, I told you this is a man's store. It's my buddy, y'all. Thank you, buddy. See y'all later. Yeah, get my gun now. Golly. Hold the door for me.
Really?
Thank y'all.
Hey, what's your YouTube channel?
You, Tay and Jay. You ain't gonna remember. You gotta write it down. Tay and Jay 3 times. All right, buddy. Oh, I'm happy, y'all. I'm happy. Jay, don't ask me no questions. Don't say nothing. You get in the car, or you see I got a AK-47. Point blank. I'm happy, y'all. I'm happy as ever. What you say, Jay? What you say?
He does not need this gun.
I do need it. I need it, y'all. And guess what? I got something else for y'all. I got something else. It's my baby. It's sitting in Soraya car seat. Boy, y'all just don't know how bad I've been wanting to do this. Look, y'all, we stay in the country, y'all. We stay in the country.
Here.
But them back there, they shoot something big, boy. They shooting something huge. Look, let's come out here. Give me a little sunlight. Give y'all a little sunlight. We live in the country, y'all, so you know, we get to shoot out here in the open. I like it. I like it.
Yeah.
Fresh air, and then it was cheap.
Was it?
$10, yeah. So we shooting down there, just open in the open area. Set up targets, and we finna shoot. We finna get right. We finna get right.
Target. That was you? I don't want to shoot that no more.
That's Big Daddy. What you doing, Jay? Show me what you doing. Okay. What's wrong with Jay?
I like this.
I like that.
I'm out of bullets.
You got a bullet?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm about to let it rip.
Alright, y'all, it's time to shoot my pistol P, my first baby. But look, y'all, I graduated from Belton University in Paris, Tennessee. And look, we down here in McKenzie, yes, in McKenzie, Tennessee. And look, we at the shooting range. And look, they got my school. It's one of my school docks right here. Or they, you know what I'm saying, I guess it's sponsored by my school, so, you know, that's always great. But look, we finna shoot right here, and y'all know what's going on. It's finna go down.
Really? Really? You gonna outdo me like that?
And walk away.
I'm hot and sweaty now.
Dude, that was so much fun, y'all.
Yeah,
that was so much fun. Like, I had a great time.
Yeah, I think I like shooting.
A great time. It was so much fun.
Yeah.
Then it was like, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't like this is a sense why I like living in the country type deal. You know what I'm saying? We didn't have to worry about waiting on nobody. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about it's empty out here. Nobody bothered us about shooting a certain type of way and none of that. You know what I'm saying? So it was just awesome. So, but you know, our camera about to get ready to die.
Yeah, it
but
is.
look, we had a great time out here, y'all. A great time. How did you like it, Jay?
I like it a lot, y'all. At first, when I first shot the 9mm, I was scared. Like I didn't, but today I let it rip on both of them.
Dude, you were scared on both of them. When you first
okay, but I still shot.
Yeah, she did a good job, y'all.
I was in Call of Duty mode. What you mean?
We had a good time, y'all. Look, y'all, if y'all want to come out here and shoot with us, I don't mind. You know what I'm saying? It's super affordable. You know what I'm saying? I'll bring you guys out here if you stay close to me, or you just want to chill with Tay and Jay one day. You know what I'm saying?
Let us know in the comments.
Let us know. You know what I'm saying? It was fun. So look, Jay.
So until next time.
Squad.
We came from nowhere.